Greetings, YouTube community. Today I'm going to be showing you what I do, or a small smidgen of what I do for a living here at Porter Engineering. I'm just making an industrial control. This one is going to be a big, massive electrical enclosure used to control a section of a log processing line. It's not going to control the entire machine, but it allows the maintenance personnel to do their thing. Just showing you skills, trying to come up with new ways to do and perfect my job. And if you can think of better wiring techniques or even suggest ideas, please let me know. I'm open to new things. Anyways, here we go. Enjoy. So here at the beginning, what I'm going to do is just go to the inventory, take a look in the back, and select my cabinet. I start off by laying down green painter's tape, and I draw my center lines in the Y and the X plane. And then after that, I start double checking all my prints, making sure my measurements are true. And we'll just keep tracing things out and then start circling where the holes are going to be. Don't be macho. You gotta do the right thing here. If you're gonna drill, put it down. Make sure you have hearing protection and your eye protection on. It is not worth it. Don't risk your hearing. Don't risk your vision. So some of you may be wondering as to why there are two holes, a slightly bigger hole in the middle right here, right there, and a smaller one at the top. Well, this one is going to be completed now. This one's going to act as an open keyway for the notch on our Allen Bradley 800F series buttons I'm putting in here. And that is there to make room for this bad boy here. Let me zoom out for you. There you go. So as you can see right here, there's a notch here. That's what this is for, just so the button can stay straight in the keyway. And the next thing I'm going to do after my lunch break is I'm going to knock this guy out right here. I'm going to cut that open, and this is going to be a 7/8 hole. That is 7/8 of an inch, people. 7/8 of an inch, and that will allow this 800F series Allen Bradley button to sit comfortably in the middle, and it'll allow it to have enough wiggle room and play for this rubber gasket or whatever it's made out of. I think it's rubber, to get a perfect seal so that this thing's watertight as well. So the next thing I'll be working on after that would be this bad boy right here. As you can see, this is going to be bigger. This is going to be a 1 7/32 of an inch hole. I'm going to use a really big hole saw for that. So, and of course I could have done the drill thing here at the top as well, but I figured a 3/16 inch file should suffice to make that notch. It's going to be for this bad boy here. This is a retaining ring or a locking ring. And so when I'm talking about that notch, I'm talking about doing it for this guy right here, this notch. So this is a keyway that's also going to go into this notch hole. And here's what an 800T button looks like. This is also made by Allen Bradley. Commonly used industrial product on an industrial controls enclosure. This will serve as a main control tower control button. It has a push to stop and a pull to start function, so it has a two-way function here. You take a look in here. You got this set of terminals here. This is for the normally closed. So, and any electrician will tell you, any stop button in a control circuit has to be normally closed, so that when you hit it, it breaks open that circuit. And these ones right here are going to be the terminals for a normally open circuit. So it's normally open, held open. And when we pull on the mushroom head, which is a lens that screws on to this guy here, it will close that contact and start the circuit. A motor control circuit or a control relay circuit. But yeah, that's what these two holes are for. Both of them, so it's got dual function here. If you're wondering why this guy here is the other way, the notch is to the right of the hole, it's because a two-position joystick that's also an Allen Bradley 800F series product functions in an up and down fashion like this. So you wiggle it up and down. But the silly part is about that function is the notch is 90 degrees out of alignment with the swing of the arm or the throw. So I just had to turn it 90 degrees and put the notch here instead. Everything else is just going to be straight up and down. Yeah, so we got two position joysticks that are going to go right here. Oh, yeah. Boop, boop, boop.